People underestimate the power of hair accessories. I mean, look at my hair. It's just 2 days before I washed my hair. But of course, the scalp is dirty, oily, because the ends are frizzy, there are no curls. But I can transform this hair and actually sit in front of the camera and look so glamorous. Everybody knows about the clean girl, pull back, sleek hairstyle. But with that, you can combine beautiful hair accessories, especially if you are into ethnic wear, traditional wear. I'll be really honest, even with the t-shirt and jeans, I wore these accessories and they look so pretty because it looks retro, vintage, boho, summer, and at the same time it just gives this amazing unique persona. Okay, you do not look like all the average other common girls. We know all the accessories which are just like purse, belt, shoes, footwear, or just jewelry, but you can accessorize your hair too. I'll share all the links also. I get compliments all the time. Look at this beautiful organza of white creamish scrunchie which goes with every color and everything. Of course, this one, so big, this beautiful dramatic big scrunchies. They look so pretty. I have got a matching dress and a sari also, and even if it's not matching, it looks so pretty. These ones, they look so pretty, especially if you have some volume, maybe curly or wavy hair. So I have something in the warm, I have something in the cool tones, and of course these satin scrunchies are pretty. There are some pretty scrunchies like this also. It's like a K-drama sort of a beautiful soft girl era style, which has a beautiful frill to it, and of course the extremely comfortable satin scrunchie rubber to it. So I have many of these. Look at this, so pretty. It just gives the character to the hair. There's so many. I'll make a different reel also for that. But for the traditional wear, I'll share a secret with you. Okay, all the industry professionals for a shooting, they look absolutely real. So there's this brand called Daivik. Okay, I'll share their account also. It looks so real. Oh my god. I mean, look at this. There are just natural gaps also in between. There is a thread. It looks so real. I am in love with this brand. One more. They make killer gajras and they look all so real. You can just wear any beautiful sari, and of course we all know the dirty hair, pull back, clean hairstyle, and you can just create this beautiful look. Don't look at my hair, but instantly I'm just sharing all the links with you, don't worry, and the links will be saved also in highlights.